Ever wondered how AI really watches a video? Let's talk about a mind-blowing project from EMNLP 2023, where researchers did something wild. They taught machines to break down videos into their most basic building blocks, like a detective analyzing a crime scene frame by frame. Imagine a whale shark's mouth, which can open wider than a giraffe's neck. That's not just a cool fact. It's a test case for AI that's learning to track every tiny movement, from the slow stretch of its jaw to the ripple of water around it. This isn't just about labeling sharks swimming, though. It's about creating a detailed storyboard for AI, where each action is time-stamped, categorized, and connected to the next. Here's the kicker. This system, called an atomic event list, could revolutionize how we use video. Think about sports analysts studying a player's exact movements, or scientists tracking animal behavior in the wild. It's like giving AI a superpower to turn chaotic footage into clear, actionable insights. And here's where it gets even cooler. This work was done with video.com, a company that's already using similar tech to help creators edit and understand their videos better. It's a reminder that cutting-edge research isn't just for labs. It's shaping the tools we use every day. So next time you watch a video, picture this. Behind the scenes, AI is quietly mapping out every tiny moment, turning chaos into clarity. It's not just about captions anymore. It's about teaching machines to see the world the way we do. And that's pretty amazing, right? Traditional AI models struggle with video captions. They miss key details or make up stuff that isn't there, like saying a dog is barking when there's no sound. But video-SALMONN too. It's different. It doesn't just see the video, it listens too. By combining audio and visuals, it creates richer, more accurate descriptions. Here's how it works. The model uses two senses, a visual encoder to analyze frames and an audio encoder to process sound. Think of it like a human who watches a scene and hears the dialogue. But the real magic is in its training. The researchers didn't just feed it videos. They used a technique called multi-DPO, MrDPO, to refine the model step by step. Imagine teaching a kid to draw by showing them examples, then tweaking their approach each time based on feedback. MrDPO does something similar. It periodically updates the model's reference, knowledge, merges new data, and smooths out errors using real captions as a guide. The results? This model, despite having just 7 billion parameters, a fraction of bigger models like GPT-4o, cuts captioning errors by 28%. It's not just faster, it's smarter. On standard tests, it beats industry giants and matches the best open-source models. But why does this matter? Video is everywhere: social media, education, security. Better captioning means AI can help us analyze videos more accurately, from understanding classroom lectures to improving accessibility for the deaf. So next time you watch a video, remember, behind the scenes, AI like video-SALMONN is working hard to turn pixels and sounds into meaningful stories. And this is just the beginning. This isn't just about better captions. It's about building AI that understands context, nuance, and the interplay between sensory inputs. As we push these boundaries, we're not just improving technology, we're redefining how machines interact with the world. And that's a journey worth watching.